Diksha Singh from class 9, section E, and here I am gathered with my group to giving a presentation of models. And I am model shell. I used to express futurity, insistence, ability, advice, and suggestion. For example, I shall learn my lesson in the night, simple future tense. She shall chide the noisy boy, a promise. Thank you. She is model should.
Good morning, I am Gaurav Bharadwaj from class 9th E. Here I am representing the model should. I am used to express necessity, obligation and advice. For example, I should leave now, obligation. And you should get up early in the morning, advice. Thank you.
She is model will.
Good morning everyone, my name is Anshu from class 90. I am here to inform you about models. I am the model will. I used to express willingness, prediction. Here is some sentences related to model will. That is, she will mop the floor. Simple future tense, I shall do it at any cost. Determination, thank you.
She is model would.
Good morning everyone, myself Divyanshi Singh from class 90. Here I am given a presentation of models. I am the model would. It used to express habitual action in past, wish or probability. For example, could you please help my son? Polite request.
She is model can.
Good morning all of you. My name is Ashita Singh from class 9B. Today I will give a presentation about models. I am model of can. I used to express ability, possibility, permission, request. For example, she can write English well. Ability in past, yes you can go now. Permission, thank you.
She is model could.
Good morning everybody, my name is Radhika Chaudhary. I study in class 9th. Today I am here to present myself as a model could. I used to express ability in past, possibility and polite request. Here are some sentences. First, Meenu could play at cards. This sentence show ability in past. Second, she could be 16. This sentence show possibility.
She is model may.
Good morning all of you. My name is Diksha Jadan from class 90. Here I am understand you how to learn models. I am model may. I express use in possibility, remote possibility, permission, wish, prayer, etc. For example, it may rain today. It shows possibility. Second, may I take your pen? It shows permission. Thank you.
She is model might.
Good morning everybody. My name is Krishna Gaur from class 9B. I am model of might. I express used in permission, possibility, concession. Example, it might rain possibility. Thank you so much.
She is model must.
Good morning all of you. My name is Gunjan Pathak, class 9, section E. I am here the present. I am model must. I express used in certainly, strong, possibility, etc. For example, I must help him, possibility. Thank you.
She is model ought to.
Good morning friends. My name Mansi Sharma, class 9, section E. I expressed used in social obligation, probability, duty. You ought to carpenter polish that benefit the environment, social obligation. You ought to service your motherland, duty. Thank you.
She is model used to.
Good morning friends, I myself Kanishka Saraswat from 9th E. I am here to present model used to. I am express past habit and existence of past. For example, he used to play to cricket, past habit. He used to go to Delhi by car, past habit. Thank you.
She is model need.
Good morning everybody, myself Divya, class 9th, section E, and I am here to give a presentation of model need. And I am the model of need. I am used to express necessity. For example, he needs to work hard. You need not to worry about that. Need I go there, etc. Thank you.
She is model dare.
Hello, I am Kashish Kumari from class 90. Here I given a presentation of model. I am model dare. I used to express courage. Example, I dare to go outside now, courage. Second, I dare she will cheat now, I suppose. Thank you.
Thanks for watching our presentation. Thanks for watching our presentation. If you like, then comment below the video.